Hello friends and welcome to PathFinderIAS Club. My name is Sachin and in this video I will tell you what you can expect in this series of ARC discussions. So let's begin. So this is the list of the things which you can expect during the subsequent videos of the reports. First and foremost, important case studies from each report. See, these reports are prepared carefully by the experts after a lot of research. They refer to the international case studies and best practices in India. So, we will discuss few of the interesting case studies from each report during the discussions. Second thing, significant recommendations. There is a list of recommendations at the end of each report. We will sort out the significant recommendations which you can use in the GS paper 2, 3 and 4 as per the demand of the questions. See, you can put these recommendations in the conclusion part. So like whatever we say always that the conclusion should be futuristic and optimistic, solution oriented, all that. So you can get the material for that from these discussions. Then third part, features of the related act or policy. See, there are a few other reports, like very first report on the Right to Information Act. Then we have sixth report on the local governance, which has its connection with the 73rd and 74th Amendment. So we can also include those parts, those acts and policies to this discussion. After that, recent amendments. There are some recommendations which are outdated and have already implemented. So we can skip those recommendations and discuss the recent amendment, particularly related to the reports like e-governance, where the recommendations are very outdated and the recent practices is very different from what is given in the report. Then after that, we can also discuss scope for improvement. It is like mild word for the criticism. See, we don't have to criticize the government, and we should never ever criticize the government directly in our answers. UPSC is not looking for journalists who can criticize the government. They are looking for an unbiased, upright administrator who can work with government. So it is not like that you should not write negative about the things. You can write, but with the mild words and like under the heading of scope for improvement, like that. Well, in the end, we will end every discussion of ARC with a quote from that particular report, which you can use in your answers, particularly in conclusions or in your essays. That because these reports have very good quotes from different known personalities. Okay, so that's it for the now. We wish you all the best and great success. Thank you.